Hi, and welcome to the screencast Requirements Bazaar, Social Requirements Engineering for Community-Driven Innovation. I'm Dominik Renzel from the Advanced Community Information Systems Group at RWTH Aachen University in Germany, and in the next 5 minutes I'll give you a quick introduction to Requirements Bazaar, a web-based software for social requirements engineering. After some short notes on motivation and purpose, I'll guide you through the most important features of Requirements Bazaar. The web, and in particular its massive scale, challenge traditional requirements engineering techniques. Billions of users are organized in a plethora of communities differing in size, culture, goals, and practices. Research has shown that innovative ideas often originate in rather small niche communities in the so-called long tail. Community members would share opinions about relevance and impact of an innovative idea if there was a chance to see it realized. However, unfortunately, communities oftentimes can't implement their ideas themselves. Software providers, on the other hand, are interested in relevant innovation, since implementation would result in end-user satisfaction and reward for them. Obviously, both groups depend on each other, but unfortunately don't get to negotiate. The main objective of Requirements Bazaar is to bring both sides together into an efficient process of communication, negotiation, and co-creation, just like on a real bazaar. Requirements Bazaar follows a simple 4-phase co-creation workflow, integrating end-user communities and developers into the entire development process. In the initial idea generation phase, a community reports an unfulfilled need as open requirement with initial metadata and artifacts. In the second idea selection phase, stakeholders refine and negotiate requirements. Commitment to lead the implementation of a requirement transitions to the third idea realization phase. Refinement and negotiation on requirements continue, and leaders can invite co-developers and link testable prototypes. In the final idea release phase, a sufficiently mature realization is acknowledged, possibly leading to new requirements. In Requirements Bazaar, a requirement consists of basic metadata, a type, and a set of shared artifacts. A requirement can express the need for a new tool or a new feature or bug fix for an existing tool. Artifacts can be user stories, annotated images, or simply files and URLs. All information and co-creation options for a requirement are available on a requirement page like this. Such a page provides traceable access to metadata, artifacts, community formation, and negotiation. The community can contribute new artifacts, test prototypes, and negotiate by commenting, sharing, and voting. Developers have additional options, such as linking prototypes or marking a requirement as realized. With a growing amount of requirements, software providers depend on efficient means for requirement search and prioritization. Just for this purpose, the Requirements Bazaar features a requirement discovery page. This page lists open, assigned, and realized requirements on 3 tabs, according to the co-creation workflow presented earlier. Requirements are sortable by different ranking criteria such as votings and negotiation activity. The community can search and filter for previously added and negotiated requirements. Furthermore, the community, in particular software providers, can adapt relevance-based sorting to their personal preferences. Some might be interested in requirements that received high votings. Some might be interested in requirements that are actively negotiated. Some might be interested in requirements strongly related to their communities, or a weighted mix. Requirements Bazaar provides several means to integrate with end-user and developer workspaces. Arbitrary web applications can be instrumented with a small web plugin providing ready-to-use dialogues for reporting application-specific requirements such as new features or bug fixes. Requirements Bazaar itself is already instrumented with this plugin. To share your ideas on Requirements Bazaar, just click the Improve button and let us know. Furthermore, stakeholders can monitor negotiation activity on requirements by subscribing to event notifications via email. Once a developer takes the lead on a requirement for its realization, he can automatically transfer it to an issue tracker such as Atlassian Jira. All changes to a requirement are now automatically pushed to the issue tracker, thus providing traceability beyond the borders of Requirements Bazaar. Of course, we are interested in any input from your side for our ongoing research. There is still plenty to do. If we could raise your interest, there are plenty of ways to get involved now. For more information, go to requirements-bazaar.org/info.html. Rate, comment or share our video on YouTube. Try Requirements Bazaar yourself on requirements-bazaar.org. Share your ideas for Requirements Bazaar by clicking the Improve flag, or mail us at requirements-bazaar@dbis.rwth-aachen.de if you are interested in using Requirements Bazaar with your community. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon at Requirements Bazaar.